from the word Jumu'ah. And our congregations are a gathering. But you know what? That means our gathering is a reminder of a much larger gathering, which is Day of Judgment. There are rehearsals for Judgment Day. Salat in Jama'ah is a rehearsal for Judgment Day at a smaller level. Yawmul Jumu'ah is a rehearsal for Judgment Day at a bigger level. Hajj is a rehearsal for Judgment Day at the largest level. The religious spiritual exercises we have in Islam are all somehow tied to Judgment Day. What was the subject right before? Running away from death. The Muslim comes to Jumu'ah, he can't run from death. He's being reminded of Judgment Day just by the fact that he's gathered. Just by the fact that he's gathered. SubhanAllah. It's embedded, it's installed into the mechanics of our religion. فَاسْعَوْا إِلَىٰ ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. Then rush to the remembrance of Allah. فَاسْعَوْا. Rush. Rush. Make it a priority. I didn't ask you for the whole day. I asked you for a part of the day. So why wouldn't you rush? Why would you take it easy for Jumu'ah? The nation before you was given the entire day to give worship. I've asked you for so much less. Why would you be lax about that? فَاسْعَوْا إِلَىٰ ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. Rush to the remembrance of Allah. And the entire Jumu'ah, from beginning to end, is described not فَاسْعَوْا إِلَى الْخُطْبَةِ فَاسْعَوْا إِلَى الْإِجْتِمَاعِ فَاسْعَوْا إِلَى ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. The essence of Friday prayer is remembering Allah. It's the remembrance of Allah, which means our Friday prayer, as we're rushing to it, we should be doing extra dhikr of Allah. Our intention for walking into the Jumu'ah is not to be entertained, not to be given new information. The khatib never talks about what's current events or this or that. You didn't come there for current events. That's your idea of what Jumu'ah is. Allah is telling you khutbah is about what? Dhikrullah, remembering Allah as a people. وَذَرُوا الْبَيْعِ. Leave business. Leave sales. Literally sales. Now, just a little bit about فَاسْعَوْا إِلَىٰ ذِكْرِ اللَّهِ. In our times, and across the world, and especially in the West, Muslims say, what's the time for Jumu'ah? Oh, it's 1:15. Okay, that means I can leave the office at 1:10. That means I can park the car by 1:25. That means I can walk over 3 blocks, 1:35. But Salat is at 1:45. I'll still catch like 10 minutes of the last part of the khutbah. Right? And that's a casual attitude. It's just, And then the rushing after, the mad rush after Salatul Jumu'ah is for what reason? Oh, this is a lunch break too, I gotta eat something. And the mad rush to leave the masjid, but people are standing outside and chatting for a long time. Right? So nobody was rushing in to chat with Allah. But people got a lot of time after to chat with each other. This day was supposed to be about Allah. It was supposed to be about Allah. I'm not saying you shouldn't socialize with people on Friday, but if you're gonna, at least give Allah His due. Go early. Dress your best. Don't look like a bum. Guys, recite Quran in the morning. Make it an event.